In this video, I'm going to show you how to record MIDI in Waveform. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is connect your MIDI keyboard or decide if you want to use your computer keyboard to actually play MIDI, okay? So I'm going to go to Settings up top and then MIDI Devices, and from here you can scan for the new ones. You can, of course, go and enable the computer keyboard option as well to allow you to use computer keyboard for MIDI input as well. Or down here, you could go and create a new virtual MIDI input just like this, give it a name, and click on create. Okay, of course, if you have anything connected to your computer like a MIDI keyboard, it's going to pop in up here and you'll be able to find it and click on it and enable it by clicking over here. If it says disable, just click on that and it's going to get enabled. Now once you've done this, you want to go back to your project, and then in here I'm just going to create a new track, and I'm going to click on add track like this, and then from here the input channel is not going to be my mic, but I'm going to right click and I'm going to set it to MIDI 1. Now when you've done this, you want to record enable your track as well. Let me actually make it a bit bigger. There we go. You want to record enable it by clicking over here, and then you want to start by pulling up your keyboard, or of course getting your keyboard with MIDI ready. I'm just gonna go and click on down here bottom left to pull this up, and if I now go and this is record enabled, if I click on the record button at the bottom, I can just go and start playing over here, as you can see, using my keyboard, and it's actually going to start playing and recording MIDI, okay, which is quite convenient. When you're done, hit the stop button, and that's really all you have to do to record MIDI in Waveform. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.